Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Both my old and new subscribers, thank you for stopping by. Welcome. Those that are not subscribed, please subscribe. Today we are making a delicious meal from this eggplant. It is called eggplant sauce or eggplant stew. This is the type of eggplant you see if you're not in Nigeria. Eggplant is the same thing as garden egg. They are just the same thing. So it can be called eggplant sauce or garden egg sauce. If you're not in Nigeria, you don't have your garden eggs, you just use your eggplant. They are just the same thing. Just that this one, I'll call it Oyibo garden egg. This is the garden egg I'm talking about, the one we normally see in Nigeria. So let's go ahead. Here are my list of ingredients. I have my eggplant, my chicken. Here's my eggplant, my chicken, some onions, some basil leaf, garlic, pepper, salt, curry, some bell pepper, red bell peppers, my vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower vegetable oil. I've already washed the meat, so I'll go ahead to cook the chicken. I'll start by spicing it up. I'll add some onions to it. I like using a lot of onions to cook my chicken. So I'll add some onions, some salt to it. Add your salt to the chicken so the chicken will be tasty. If the salt is too much, don't worry. When you add your eggplant, it will absorb the salt. Then I've added my rosemary. Here is my curry powder. Sorry, not my curry powder, not the curry powder. That is my thyme. Then I'll add some seasoning cubes. Then I'll also add some pepper. This yellow habanero pepper is very hot, very hot. So I have to add little to it. Then I'll add some water. Just add some water to cover the chicken. Cover it and let it cook till the chicken is soft. I'll cook this chicken for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you can see the water have reduced. The chicken have absorbed all the water, almost all the water. Yes, it's okay this way. You just need little chicken stock from there. You have to. So now I'll heat up my vegetable oil. That is my vegetable oil heating up to fry the chicken. It's not necessary that you must fry your chicken. You can use your chicken that way. You can bake it, you can roast it, you can also fry it. So I just decided to fry my chicken. Now my vegetable oil is hot. I'll throw in my chicken to fry. I'll fry the chicken till it turns golden brown. So my chicken is frying. You can turn it to the other part to fry, which I just did. Now my chicken is golden brown. I have to take it off the heat. I'll remove the chicken, place it in my paper towel. You can see the chicken is golden brown. I just feel like eating this chicken, finishing this chicken, but I have to control myself because I'm using it to cook. And I'm not the only one eating this food. So here comes my chicken. Yes, that is the chicken. Then we'll go ahead with the cooking process. With the same oil I used to fry the chicken, I'll throw in some of the garlic and the onions. I'll let them to sizzle a little bit before I'll put in other ingredients. The onions is sizzling. Then I'll add my red bell pepper. I like cooking with this red bell pepper. It gives the food one kind attractive sight. If you look at the food, if you look at the red bell pepper, the food will just be very attractive. To be calling you to come and eat me, come and eat me. It makes the food look very nice. And you know, if the food is looking nice, surely the food will be attractive. The food will be tasty, sorry. Then now I'll add my eggplant. Yes, my chopped eggplant. As I said earlier, if you don't have your eggplants, you use your garden egg. They are just the same thing. The same thing. Just that you hardly find garden egg here. You hardly see it in African shop, and if you see it, it's very small thing, very expensive. But eggplant is just everywhere, every market, every shop. So now I've added my eggplant. I'll go ahead and add my chicken. After adding my chicken, I'll add the remaining seasoning, my curry powder and the chicken stock. Remember, we have a chicken stock, so I'll add my chicken stock. Yes, my little chicken stock. You have to make your chicken stock to be little. Allow the chicken to absorb all the water. If the chicken stock is much, you see that this will be watery. But if the chicken stock is small, yes, that's good. My eggplant is almost done. Then I'll add my curry powder now. I won't cook this eggplant for long. You know, eggplant is a vegetable, so it's not good to cook it for long. I'll just cook it for 3 minutes. Then at this stage, I'll test it. If all my ingredients is well combined, the pepper, the salt, I noticed that I have to add some salt, so I added some salt to it. Then I'll leave my eggplant. Just 3 minutes, my eggplant is ready. That's all about this eggplant. You can see it's very good, very delicious. Health-wise, it's good. Low in cholesterol. Anybody can eat it, even diabetic patients.